We're back with another seasonal recipe, lean body style. This baked apple pie oatmeal is quick and packed with protein. In a mixing bowl, add 1 chopped up apple, 1 tablespoon of a brown sugar substitute, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1/4 a teaspoon of some xanthan gum. Mix it up until all of your pieces are coated. Next, add into another mixing bowl 3/4 a cup of rolled oats, 1½ scoops of our vanilla lean body protein shake drink mix, 1 tablespoon of a brown sugar substitute, 1/4 a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 large whole egg, and 4 ounces of a lean body ready to drink protein shake. Mix everything together. Last, in a 1 quart baking dish, add your apple mix and your oat mix. Bake that on 350 for around 30 to 35 minutes. If you like this quick recipe, don't forget to follow us for more.